Come on, Boomer. Come here, buddy. There you are. Come here. Come on. Come on, Chip Chip. Waiting for your mother to show up. Little girl is Boomer's mother from a year and a half ago. All right, kiddo. She didn't come back yet. All right, Boomer. She's back already. Come on. Come on, little girl. Come on. Come here. Hurry up, dude. Get up here. I gotta go to work today sometime. So many to choose from, huh? So many to choose from. Yeah. Do you want some more? Oh. What's this one? You missed this one. Yeah, Boomer's coming back. Okay, you got a mouthful. Good job. Okay, Chip Chip. All we got left is scurvy peanuts. It'll be interesting to see how they deal with these peanuts. This is what, I mean, this is a scurvy peanut. And here comes Boomer. Come here, Boomer. Come on, Chip Chip. Boomer's not going to be very happy. Come here, Boomer. Come on, Boomer. Come here, Boomer. Come here. Come on, Boomer. Boomer, stop. Leave your mother alone. Come here. Come here, Boomer. Come on. Get up here. Look. 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 Right there. These are all scurvies. You gotta choose whatever ones you want. This is a decent one, Boomer. You want this one? Yeah. Well, I picked out some. Just a truck, Boomer. Hey, Boomer. Want this one? Okay. And here she comes. Go, Boomer. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Get over here, little girl. Come on. That's what we got to choose from. Yeah. Come here, honey. Yeah. Come on. Very skittish. Yeah, honey. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, you got a full load. All right, we'll get rid of them scurvy peanuts somehow.